Hey everybody, Rod Sudfin of Sudfin Tuning. I want to go over some of the XHP custom settings. And one of my customers tested out a shift speed M mode and throttle blip with my custom tuning. So he said the results were really good. He was having shifter paddles were having latency issues, and even when you use the shifter, the stick, and this solved it. So as soon as he hit the shifter paddle, it was instant shift. So open up you go to your XHP app, open that up, go to flash settings, and you would enable shift speeds M mode. He has throttle blip M mode on there. If you're doing racing or something like that, probably a good idea for that. I'm not a big fan of it. But here's the shift speed M mode. They're all set at plus 20%. And that gave him, basically went from a slight pause, maybe a second pause is what he described, to as soon as he hit the paddle, instant. And then also, here's for the throttle blips, plus 25%. But the customer did say that was a bit aggressive on the downshifts. So that's something you'd have to adjust on your own. Okay. And then I know also the wide open throttle RPM max, if you want to set your own shift points, wide open throttle, I know those work. Now, issues usually happen when people are messing with torque limiters or shifting points and different stuff with the custom tune, and it'll make things freak out. So that's usually why I tell people don't mess with that. Everything is put into the tune, even line pressure is put into the tune, depending on what your power levels are and boost and all that. So once everything is set up in your custom settings, you would save it, and then you would just go and flash the car. So you go to connect to the car, get to your flash menu, and then select the custom map. And then usually the first thing that pops up is apply flash settings. Normally I tell everybody to say no, but in this instance you would click yes, and then that will apply those settings that you put in. And then you would go through the normal flash procedure, and once it's complete, drive the car normal, get some miles on it. Try not to go wide open throttle the first drive. And that should really speed up your shifting using the paddles, or people that use the stick for the manual mode. So I hope that helps. Let me know in the comments, or even on my Facebook page or my Instagram. And definitely subscribe, and definitely share my video. Thanks. Talk to everybody soon. Bye.